Well, it's a lovely New Year's Day here in Illinois. Raining, 33 degrees. Everything's froze from last night still. The poor bug looks a little cold. But we'll make do. Hey, thanks for coming back. Well, yesterday I built a box for a display to sit on, and then I put a lid on that display. Well, I figured out in the meantime that this workbench just ain't cutting it. But instead of building a proper workbench with some nice boards, I'm going to use some busted up pallets and build some foldable sawhorses. I'm going to throw another pallet on top of it, call it good. Let's see if we can get this done. Well, I grabbed a bunch of 2x4s. They're not the prettiest shape, but it really doesn't matter. I want to square off the ends, measure them to 34 inches. I'll be right back. A few days ago, I took some measurements. I'll probably show you that here in another clip. But here's what I came up with. I have no idea how I did it or how I came up with this angle, but this is what it ended up being. I measured down 3 inches and 4 inches. At the 4-inch mark, I centered it. And at the 3-inch mark, I made a 70-degree angle. How I came up with 70 degrees, I have no idea. But it looks like I came in 2 inches here, and I came in 1/4 of an inch up here. Let's connect these lines and cut that out. I'll notch that out, drill that hole, and I'll be right back. Better move this. I'm going to put 2 washers in the middle. That way they can pivot on each other. Snug these up, but not tight enough that they won't move. Our goal is to put a 2x4 right here, have them pinch it in between. I want to make another one of these, and I'll be. Now that we got these all bolted together, I'm going to measure up 9 inches, and let's go with 21 inches. Why? Why not? Well, now that we got those old pallets cut up, looks like I got some nails to pull. Since these pallet boards are pretty thin and dry, I'm going to pre-drill some holes. Alright, I remember why I'm building this. I don't have enough room. So I'm going to grab a couple 2x4s, put them on here, make up. So now that I got more coffee and some more workspace here, we're going to bolt these together. So I don't know if I told you, but when you bolt these together, you need to have them opposite of each other. And with the wedges cut out on the outside, you grab your top board. Also, you only drill 4 of these out on the end, and then the other 2 you're going to drill in here. But you take this and put it on your 21-inch mark. We're going to screw it in. So these we drilled in a little further. We're going to go on the inside board on the opposite side here. Well, there's one sawhorse complete. So we should be able to drop a 2x4 in here and it'll pinch down on there. Let me make this other one. I'll show you what I mean. Well, there's the new workbench. Whenever I don't want it, I'll just take it apart, fold it up. It'll be good to go. Thanks. See you next time. I just used the red strap to pull the bottom tight to pinch the 2x4 on the top. Pull it out.